Good day, I'm Ted Jones and we're here at MarineMax in Stuart, Florida. We're looking at this brand new 17 Montauk whaler. Wow, what a really cool boat this is. Whalers totally redesigned this boat. This boat has a forward cushion package in it with a bigger storage compartment than previous. It has a very nice layout at the console, very comfortable, including a Ray Marine GPS fish finder combination. The big change in this boat too is the fuel tanks are no longer loose in the boat. It's built into the floor, and in replacement under this helm seat is a live well. The live well is no longer in the back of the boat, opening up the cockpit. This boat also has comfortable rear jump seats, a 115 Mercury, boat motor trailer package ready to go, including this beautiful stainless bimini top. You gotta come see it, and you gotta get out and ride on it. Whaler's an incredible boat. Again, my name is Ted Jones. I thank you for taking the time to watch this video. For more information, you can reach me at 772-263-6743. Have a great day.